Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, July 14th, 2010. And if you'll notice, I'm donning our new Wall Street Shuffle shirt. They're listening. Are you? In any event, the markets ended up just slightly positive, with the exception of the S&P, which was down just fractionally. The Dow was up 3.7 points to 10,366. The S&P was down 0.17. And the NASDAQ was up 7.8 points to 2250. So the NASDAQ was a winner. It was up 1/3%. And it looks like technology shares are the strength area, the sector to be in. The Dow and the S&P were essentially flat. Copper was down 2 cents to $2.99. That's a 0.5%. Oil was down 25 cents to $76.90. And gold was down $4.10 to $12.09 the ounce. Silver, however, was up 4 cents to $18.27. That's a 1/4%. Over in the Treasury front, 5-year Treasuries are 1.8% yield, 10-year 3.05, and 30-year are 4.03. Yields were slightly down, and therefore prices were up. Therefore, it was a little bit of a breather today in the market. There wasn't really any major earnings reports coming out today. We've got a few tomorrow, though. But the retail sales was a big story, and it came out below expectations. Retail sales were negative. Whoops. Looks like the consumer may not be bailing us out for a sustained economic recovery. And on the back pages of the news, home sellers are slashing their prices. The government programs and tax rebates expired just a month or two ago, and now houses are not moving. In fact, they're coming to a standstill. What's that going to mean for real estate? Well, you need to stay tuned and pay attention. Over in Europe, they were mixed, but mostly down. The Euro Stoxx 50 was flat. UK, France, and Italy were all down. Germany was up. On a brighter note, the UK jobless numbers came out down, and employment is rising. However, on the negative side of things, the IMF just came out and said Ireland needed more cuts. Asia was up. Hong Kong was up 2/3, Indonesia up 2/3, Singapore and Shanghai both up almost 1%. The big winner of the day, though, was Japan. After selling off this last few weeks, Japan was up 2.7%. Australia was up 1 3/4. And the good news over in Asia, Australia tripled its estimates for a budget surplus by 2012. It looks like Australia is turning the corner. Asia was also riding on the coattails of the Intel earnings report, which came out after the bell yesterday. Remember, our yesterday evening is their market open this morning. In addition, Singapore had some very good upbeat economic data come out. So it looks like Asia does have some shining lights. However, Europe and America seem to be in trouble. The one question mark, Chinese real estate. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, July 14th, 2010.